Hello class, today I'm going to teach you about the area of polygons. So here we have a triangle. If we wanted to carpet this room, that's the inside of the triangle, we would find the area. So the formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. The height line is where that makes the 90-degree angle to the base. Okay, so as soon as I see the shape, I'm finding area, I write what formula I need. So area equals 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times 5 times 8 will equal the area. So we can do 1/2 of 8, which is 4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. So the area of this figure is 20 inches squared. Okay, great job. Okay, so once again, I see a triangle. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. The base and the height is where the 90-degree angle is made to the base. So there's the height line. So area equals 1/2 times 12 times 9. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 meters squared is our label. Great job. Okay, this time we are looking for the missing dimension. So I write the formula down. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. This time I know the area is 54. 1/2 stays. I know my height line is 12, so I'm looking for the base. So now you just have a simple equation that you solve. Do 1/2 of 12, which is 6, so you have 6b equals 54. Divide by 6, divide by 6. 9 equals the base. So the base is 9 millimeters. Okay, here we have a parallelogram. So the parallelogram formula is area equals base times height. And remember, the height line is where the 90-degree angle is made. So here we have all these numbers. We are only focusing on the base and the height. So area equals base times height. Please write the formula down each time. So area equals 16 times 14. So pause the video, multiply 16 times 14. I got 224, and it'll be meters squared. Great job. Okay, trapezoids. So a trapezoid is a four-sided figure. It's a type of quadrilateral where the bases are parallel to each other. Okay, so the bases are the parallel sides. So this can be turned, and you would have to look for the parallel sides. The height line we know is the line that makes the 90-degree angle. So the formula is 1/2 times the height, and then you add your two bases together. And let me show you how this works. I see a trapezoid. I write the formula down. 1/2 times height, base 1 plus base 2. It doesn't matter what you call base 1 and base 2. I see the height line here, makes the 90-degree angle is 6. 9 and 5 are my bases, those are my parallel sides. So 1/2 times 6, and then in parentheses we have 5 plus 9. So now you just have an order of operations problem. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1/2 times 6 times 14. Half of 6 is 3. I'm running in a room here. 3 times 14 is 42 square feet, or 42 feet squared. Good work. So once again, I see a trapezoid, so I write the formula down. 1/2 times height, base 1 plus base 2, and we just fill in for what we know. 1/2 times 5, in parentheses is 11 1/2 plus 8.5. So I'm going to add my parentheses first, which that equals 20 times 5 times 1/2. So I would do half of 20 is 10, and then 10 times 5 is 50. So 50 meters squared is your area. Great work. Okay, so now we are looking for the missing dimension. I don't see the height. We are missing the height. So once again, write the formula out and plug in what we know. 1/2 times height, base 1 plus base 2. So area equals 1/2 times height. We don't know the height, but we know the bases are 4 plus 8. So now it's 1/2 times the height, 8 plus 4 is 12, equals the area, which is 33. I should have wrote 33 earlier, that's okay. So now half of 12 is 6, so we have 6 H equals 33. And how are we going to get H by itself? Divide by 6. So 33 divided by 6 is 5.5. So 5.5 equals the height. So the height is 5.5 feet. Good job. So you're just understanding how to use the formula. Okay, so finding, oh, we did that already. Oh, we're done. All right, guys, so I hope this video helped you understand finding area of trapezoids. Have a great day.